In this video, we will be going through how to make macro that changes value in a cell. If you are working in an office, for example as a case officer, working on many types of cases, and you want to keep count of how many cases you have been finishing and what kind of cases there were. Instead of writing the value on paper, you can instead just click at the screen to add a number after finishing each case. We will first make the developer tab visible. You go to File, Options, Customize ribbon, click on the box Developer, OK, and there. Under the Developer tab, you can go to Visual Basic. To start writing the Visual Basic code, you need to insert a module. So click Insert and Module. We will now start a routine. We do this by typing sub and the name of our routine. We will call it increase by 1. Our routine writing will now have to be between sub and end sub. For the code, it's range, bracket, speech mark, and the cell. So we want this cell to increase by 1, so it's B2, close dot value equal the same code plus 1. We write the same routine again, this time for cell B3, this cell. So we just copy and paste, change the name of the routine, increase by 1 case B. Change the cell number to B3. There. Now we assign our macros to buttons. At the Developer tab, here, click Insert, Buttons, we will insert this. Here, and copy the button by holding Ctrl and drag it there. Change the names of the buttons. A plus and B plus. Assign macros that we just created there. There. Test the buttons. Nice. We do everything all over again, but now we will decrease the value by 1. We will just copy all this paste, change the names, so decrease by 1. And minus instead of plus. There. Make 2 more buttons. We just copy these 2 here. So hold Control and drag. Change the name. A minus, B minus. Assign the macros. Decrease by 1. Decrease by 1 case B. Test it. Nice. Now we make a macro to reset the numbers to 0. Easiest is just to use the record macro function. So record macro, name, reset all. Okay, change these 2 values to 0. Stop recording. Make one last button. Change the name. Reset. Assign macro. Test it. Nice. In this video, we have gone through how to write Visual Basic code in Excel for changing values in a cell. And we use record macro function to reset the cells, and how our macros are assigned to buttons. And that's it for this video. Check the video description and my channel for other information and videos.